this is Anna with Big Bear Vans, and today I'm going to show you this custom van. This is the first van that we've built, and it has one-up lift for the bikes. This van has 2 storage boxes from Aval Vans. We equipped it with a really nice, sturdy 6-inch deep running board. So let me show you the double swivel seat that we have in this van. This van also has bug wall mosquito screens. The bug wall screens, they have zipper on one side and they have magnetic opening in the middle. In the front zone of the van, we have the over-the-cab storage. We have a curtain rod and a curtain. It has insulated window covers. Awning sensed vibration. It's now closing up as if in the windy weather. On this side, we have an induction double cooktop, and also this cabinet is narrowed so that you can use entrance to the van better and not being squeezed in. A 15 by 17 inches matte black sink so that you would have more space to wash the dishes. So under the sink we have garbage bin, and we also have the filter installed behind the sink. This mirror is actually a door, so you need to press on it and then it opens up the pantry. But then when you need the bathroom, you press here and you open it up and there is a bathroom. So this is the most common question: is it comfortable? Yes, it's very comfortable. It has a lot of room. Even a 6-foot person would be comfortable here to use it. We also have 2 tables that become one really big table if you need. You have reading lights with USB ports on both sides, 110 outlets, the elevator bed. On the driver's side of the van, we have a ladder to climb on the roof deck. We also have the place where you dump your gray water. There is also the boost antenna to get a signal where there is no signal. We have fan, AC, awning, and a big space to mount extra things. So yeah, all this magical thing. You don't need to rent the cabin, you just need your camper van and come to Big Bear Lake and enjoy it.